want to show you one of the most popular creams of Japan. Here we got a number 1 bestseller. This is Milano CC. Let us have a closer look at the printings of the pack. It is a medicated spot corrector concentrate with vitamin C. This essence is good when your skin is in need of a quick vitamin C and vitamin E boost. It is also good against acne. Let us open the pack. We first gonna have a look at the leaflet. And here is the Milano CC concentrate. Let us open it and get a bit out. The texture of the serum is light and it's very fluid. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.